Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Christmas is so close. You're gonna need some cocktails to get through the holidays with your family. So I have 4 original cocktails for you to make this holiday season. All the recipes are in the description below, along with the time codes. If you wanna jump ahead or jump back, feel free. Let's start with our first cocktail. This is gonna be a boozy, sweet nightcap. I'm calling this one the Noche Buena. The name is a nod of respect to the Latin, Hispanic, and Mexican ingredients we're gonna be using. We're gonna start with our aged rum. We've got Holmes K single cask. This is a 9-year rum. Wait for it. Oh, good cork. So we're gonna go with 1 ounce, 30 mils of our 9-year. Then we're gonna add a little Puerto Rican rum, the Havana Club. 1 ounce, 30 mils. Then some Licor 43 vegan horchata. This stuff is amazing. I'm gonna go with 1 ounce of our horchata, or 30 mils. Then for a little coffee flavor, some good old Khalua. Got a 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. Then we're gonna add a little bit of orange in there. Orange and coffee go great together. I'm gonna go with a 1/4 ounce, or 7 mils. After I measured out all those ingredients, I looked down my notes and realized I'm supposed to be shaking this. Always read the recipe all the way through. So let's pour this into our shaker now. And we're gonna add 2 dashes of our Feed Brothers foaming bitters. Got my big cube here, let's give it a crack. And shake it nice and hard. Our chilled Nick and Nora. Now, and double strain. Let's add a touch of nutmeg. Our Noche Buena. Smells like the holidays. Smells boozy. That horchata comes through. Faint scent of the Khalua. Cheers. It's sweet, it's boozy. Oh yeah. You get every single flavor in there. You can taste the 9-year rum. You can taste the Havana Club. The horchata is the backbone of the flavor. And in the very back end, you get that dry curacao, that beautiful, dry orange peel flavor. That's perfect for a nightcap. Now for cocktail number 2. We call this one the Red Reindeer. This is gonna be a split base of mezcal, tequila, a little bitter liqueur, and some cherry. I'm gonna start with one of the new mezcals in my collection. Go a 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. Just to add that little bit of smoke and funk. Now for our tequila, we're using Centenario. I'm gonna go 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. And this is the Centenario Plata. Now for our bittering agent, the Bruto Americano. Go with 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. And for our sweet component, cherry liqueur from Luxardo. Going 3/4 of an ounce, or 22 mils. To balance everything out, we're using some lime bitters, 4 dashes. If you're using a regular dasher bottle, it's 2. Take our big cube, give it a crack. This is what happens when you don't temper them. They don't break properly. There we go. And stir for about 20 rotations. Have my beautiful Libby coupe here. And we double strain. Look at that beautiful color. We're gonna garnish with a cocktail cherry. Much like a last word, right at the bottom of the cocktail. Beautiful. And there is our Red Reindeer. This mezcal has such an intense flavor that those tropical notes are actually coming through. Get a little bit of the cherry, but the Bruto, that's there right up front. Cheers. In the best way possible, it's like a medicinal Manhattan. You're getting all of those beautiful cherry notes. The tequila comes through, the mezcal. But the Bruto Americano has that, Americano. So the Bruto Americano has that bitter medicinal flavor. It is a bitter liqueur. It was originally intended to be medicine, but let's be real, it does heal the insides at times. That Centenario tequila has such a beautiful roasted agave flavor, and the cherry is the perfect amount of sweet. And now for cocktail number 3. This one we're gonna call the Alpine Forest, and it's almost a riff on an old fashioned. You have the liquor, the sweet component, the water, and the bitters. And this one is gonna be built in the glass. We're gonna start by dropping in a big sphere of ice. The gin of choice is gonna be our Ford's gin. We'll go 2 ounces or 60 mils. Then we have a gentian amaro. We can go 0.75, 3/4 of an ounce, or 22 mils. And some California Fernet. Good cork. For this, we're just gonna go with a bar spoon. And now we stir. We're gonna use a little bit of our orange essence here. Give 1 spritz. And garnish with a freeze-dried orange right down the side. Perfect. There we are. The Alpine Forest. Ooh, yeah. Get the orange essence. The lo-fi gentian amaro has this beautiful floral flavor to it. All those beautiful aromatics that go into the Ford's gin. It truly is the best cocktail gin on the market. And the Fernet rounds it off. A little extra sweetness, and you have all of those beautiful anise flavors. And now for drink number 4. We're gonna call this one our Midnight Sleigh. For our final cocktail, we're going in the route of brandy. Brandy just feels like a Christmas spirit. We're gonna pair that with some spiced liqueur, some chocolate, a little peppermint. It's gonna be a perfect Christmas cocktail. Let's start with our brandy. We're using the Argonaut Fat Thumb, 1.5 or 45 mils. 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of our creme de cacao. Now 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of our chocolate liqueur. Let me rephrase that. This is the Italian chocolate cream liqueur. Now we're gonna go with a 1/4 ounce or 7 mils peppermint schnapps. We're gonna finish off with a 1/4 ounce or 7 mils of our California Falernum. Crack one of my big cubes here. And now we shake as hard as we can. Got my chilled Nick and Nora glass here from the freezer. Now we double strain. I'm gonna take a little chocolate and grate it right on top. There is our Midnight Sleigh. Nothing like boozy chocolate. It just smells like boozy hot chocolate. It is a ice cold peppermint patty. You get just enough of the peppermint mixed with the chocolate. The brandy comes through. The grated chocolate on top really accentuates all the chocolate in the cocktail. It's spirit forward, it is sweet, it's chocolatey. It's got the holiday spices in there from the falernum. All that chocolate cream liqueur, the chocolate, the creme de cacao, absolutely perfect. Cheers to that one. And there are 4 cocktails you need to make for your Christmas to survive the family. Want to check out some of my other holiday recipes? Click right there. And if you want to check out some of my cocktails, click up there for Thirsty Thursdays. Until next time, I am Ron, the cook, and happy holidays.